Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is a vlog of Ratnadeep supermarket. We came for shopping here because we get here everything under one roof. Hope you enjoyed this video and remember to like, share and subscribe. Let's begin. The ground floor is for fresh groceries and items like ketchup, peanut butter spread, or all those things which you need for eating. You can see all the rice, there are seeds, everything over here. So this is the ground floor. So there is a 15 rupees off on all the hair oils. In the fridge here we get everything from fries to nuggets to paneer, you know, and even the kebabs, all the good Indian stuff. These are all the vegetables here. These are the huge rice bags and followed by the small rice bags. These are mostly like one meal rice or two meal rice only. Like if you're going somewhere for traveling, yeah, then only you can buy these and use these. Those are efficient for those times. Now we're going to the top floor for accessories and house items. These are many types of tiffin boxes in different size and shapes. And here we have many types of water bottles as well, even thermos available. Oh, guess they have a small toy section. Okay, Hot Wheels. Whew, been a long time since I saw those. Oh, these are pens, I guess. Parker pens also available. The entire stationery section. And now we are done with our shopping and we'll be going to the counter for the pricing. So we bought quite a lot of things because we need quite a lot of things. So in our next video we'll be showing you whatever we bought. So until then, stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Share the video if you really enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.